Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Folks, if you love chocolate, drop that chocolate emoji in the comment section because today we are making some keto chocolate ice cream. And this is a decadent chocolate ice cream that's gonna have some mug cake pieces in it, some chocolate chips, and it's gonna be chocolate all the way. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Now get a bowl and add in 15 grams of butter. Pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to melt. Then add in 25 grams of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Then I add in my stevia, which is about 1 tablespoon worth of a 1:1 keto sweetener. Add some vanilla extract. Then I add in a tablespoon of heavy cream. And finally, 1 egg. Then you gotta give everything a customary Headbangers Kitchen good mix till it's all well combined and your cake batter is ready. Then get out your ramekin. Put a little butter on your finger and then grease that ramekin real good. You want to get it nice and greasy. Then pour in that mug cake batter into it and then you can either pop it into your microwave for 90 seconds or bake it in your preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes till it's done. And once your cake is ready, just admire it for a few minutes while it cools down. You can even chuck it in the fridge for an hour. Anyway, once it's cooled down, it's time to get it out of the ramekin and now you just want to cut it up into small pieces. Remember, this is going into the ice cream, so cut a piece as big as you like it. I'd say cut smaller pieces, it makes more sense. Anyway, once you're done cutting that cake, set it aside and it's time to make the ice cream. Now for the ice cream, I've got 150 ml of heavy whipping cream in a bowl. Into that I will add 2 tablespoons of confectioner's erythritol and then I whip that up. Now you can use any keto sweetener that you like. I believe allulose is great for ice creams. Then once it's whipped up, I'll add some vanilla extract. Then I will add about 10 ml of whiskey as well and I'm using Jack Daniels. And then I will sift in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, the Dutch cocoa powder, the dark stuff, the good stuff. And then just whisk it again till everything is well incorporated and you've got soft peaks. Now into this whipped cream mixture I will add about 30 grams of Lily's stevia sweetened chocolate chips and then I'll add half of the chopped mug cake. You can probably eat the other half as a snack, or if you don't mind more cake than ice cream, put the whole cake in. Anyway, fold everything in together with a spatula and your mixture is ready. Now I'm going to get a freezer safe box and pour my ice cream mixture into that. Once it's all in the box, I will cover it with a lid and then I will pop it into my freezer to become ice cream. At least 4 hours, but overnight is obviously best. Now the ice cream has set and is ready and it's time to scoop out some of it. And if the ice cream seems a bit harder or icy, you can let it sit out for about 10 minutes at room temperature before scooping and serving yourself some. Anyway, that's our keto chocolate ice cream, done and ready. I mean, tell me this isn't the most epic looking keto chocolate ice cream. How can this not be the best? It's got mug cake bits in it, it's got chocolate chips, it's like 3 times the chocolate lover's dream. Anyway, time to show you that creamy goodness of the ice cream. And whoo yeah, that looks so good. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste the chocolate ice cream and...
Don't say look who's here. I'm always here.
Alright, she's here. Are you ready to taste?
Yeah.
Alright.
I've been waiting to.
Begin.
Oh wow, that's really creamy. What is booze? Oh, it's sneaky boy.
I got a chocolate chip.
Oh, what are those chunks?
The mug cake.
This ice cream is full of surprises.
It's a surprise ice cream. Yeah.
Oh, really indulgent.
Really beats regular chocolate ice cream.
It's creamy. It's boozy. It's chunky. It's chocolatey. That's not icy at all. It's amazing.
compared to the last ice cream that I made on the channel, which was slightly icy, as my father mentioned. And if you haven't seen that video, click here on the I button and check it out. This one is not, and I think that's because of the Jack Daniels in it. So
No, but I really thought it looked a bit icy. I thought it was going to be, but it's like ridiculously creamy. So good.
yeah. So I guess the keto chocolate ice cream gets the horns up from Dipti, and I give it the horns up too. And I hope you will make this at home, enjoy it, and let me know what you think. Anyway, till the next episode, cheers and keep cooking. So I've got a question for you. If you were an ice cream, what flavor of ice cream would you be? Let me know in the comments below. And click here to watch more of my keto dessert recipes, or click here and try one of my keto curries.